Hello guys and welcome back to GosTech. Today we will learn how to manage layers and pages on Canva. If you want to group layers on Canva, you can just select multiple layers and then right-click and click Group. As you can see now layers are on group. Same you do if you want to ungroup them. If you want a layer to bring forward or send backward, then right-click on it, go to Layer, and click Send Backward. We see now that this layer has gone backward. Same if you want to bring it forward. You can also add a comment or reminder by click the message button on the right corner. If you want to duplicate a layer, right-click on it and click Duplicate icon. You can also duplicate the same page by clicking this icon here. If you want to delete it, click the trash icon. You can also add a blank page by clicking Add Page down here. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more.